In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to add your custom name here on the lock screen. It can be here at the top as well as here at the bottom, as you guys can see. I've got in here the name of the channel, which is Fixed by Shaq in here. You can of course add anything you want to add in here. This is super easy to do, and you can also customize, like you can have your name only here at the top or only here at the bottom, right? You can choose where you want to keep your name. In my case, I've got it at the top as well as at the bottom, and I'll show you how to add your name on both of these sections. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Moving straight into today's tutorial, first of all, let me quickly unlock my phone, and I'll quickly show you first how to add your name at the bottom. Okay, so in order to add your name here at the bottom of the lock screen, we're gonna quickly bring down the control center over here, and then we're gonna press and hold here on focus, right? So once we're here on focus, we're gonna tap here on new focus, right? So once we're here on new focus, this new screen is gonna pop up, and here we're gonna perform a quick trick in order to get our name at the bottom of the lock screen. Let's quickly tap here on custom, and over here we're gonna type what we want to be written at the home screen, right? So I'm gonna type, for example, Fixed by Shaq, which is the name here of my YouTube channel, and then we can also select the color that we want, right? In this tutorial, I'll be going with the green color right here. So I've got Fixed by Shaq in green, and also you can add an emoji, okay, that is gonna be shown up at the beginning of your name. In my case, I'll be going with this tech icon in here, which is a TV. It's a tech icon because this channel is all about tech content. And then next up, I'm gonna tap here on next, right? Next up, we're gonna tap on customize focus, and over here you don't want to edit anything. You want to keep it as it is, because focus is actually something used to manage notifications, and I'm gonna drop down a video showing you how to use focus feature as whole. Okay, so today we won't be talking about the notification, so over here you won't be doing anything else. You're just gonna be tapping here on back, right? So once you're here on back, as you guys can see, we've got in here a custom focus, which is Fixed by Shaq. Next up, we're gonna simply close this. We're gonna bring down the control center once again, and then over here we're gonna press and hold in focus, and then we're gonna tap here on Fixed by Shaq. As you guys can see, it's now on, and whenever I turn off my phone, boom, here's my name at the bottom, and it looks wonderful with the tag emoji here at the left, right? So next up, I'm gonna show you now how to add your name here at the top, which is kind of more fun to have your name in here because it's written in bigger letters. Okay, so the very first thing in here we're gonna be doing is, let me quickly unlock my phone. Next up, we're gonna hop straight into the App Store, okay, because we need to download an application. So here's my App Store, and once I'm here on App Store, we're gonna search for an app which is called Any Text Widgets app. Okay, so this is the name of the app right here. Of course, it's a totally free app, so you do not need to worry about that. We're gonna tap here on download the Any Text Widget app. Quickly, it's now downloaded, and then we're gonna tap in here on open, right? So once we're here, we're gonna tap on done, and then okay, and over here we've got the widget one. We've got a lot of widgets in here that we can customize. We're going to customize only one. We're going to tap on widget one, and over here we're going to write our name. For example, in my case, it's Fixed by Shaq, name of the YouTube channel. Tap on done, okay, and then you can also customize the styling of what you want to write. Tap here on settings in the top right corner, and as you can see, we've got in here design, monospaced. You can go to round, you can tap on default. You can also manage the width, expanded. We've got in here condensed or compressed. In my case, I'll be going with compressed because it's a pretty long name. I want it to fit in a single line, right? So once this is done, we're gonna tap here on done. Now, please note that you can also customize the color of the background, the text, and other configurations here as well. But in my case, I want to go with the basic customization. I'm done. I'm gonna tap on back. Boom, here we go. Widget one is now ready to go. So next up, we're gonna go straight into our home screen. we're gonna unlock our phone, right? The next step, we're gonna unlock our phone, unlock your phone with Face ID, and then press and hold in here, and then this will show up right here. So once this shows up, guys, we're gonna tap here and customize, and then we're gonna tap on lock screen, and then over here we're gonna tap here on this area where we want to add the widget, and then we're gonna scroll down and search for any text. Here we go, any text is right here, and then we can select different styles of our text. We've got in here the square one, this one which is a much wider one. I prefer the wider one, so I'll go with widget one here, the wider one. Okay, so once you tap on it, immediately your logo will appear over here, your name, your logo, the name that you've customized. Next up, simply close it, tap on X, and then tap on done. Okay, it's very important to tap on done to save, and then tap again here, and here we go. I'm gonna quickly lock my phone, unlock it to show it to you guys. Here we go. We've got fixed by Shaq in here, we've got fixed by Shaq here at the bottom as well. And if you don't want to have like the fixed by Shaq here at the bottom, simply unlock your phone and then bring down the control center, tap here on focus, press and hold on focus, and then turn off fixed by Shaq here, go back, lock your phone, and then here we go. We've got our phone in here without the name at the bottom, but with the name only here at the top left corner. Okay, so this is all you need to do in order to add your name here to your lock screen. This is a lot of fun, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, leave a comment down below, as it helps me to reach more people here and help more people with tech hacks and fixes. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.